We are going to go back and talk about our weather that's coming right our way. And you have simply a chronology here of what you're about to see just in a few hours here.
Yeah, we're going to walk you through it the best we can, Steve. Now, keep in mind, this is the latest forecast. This could literally change by tomorrow morning when Brittany Rainey's on shift. And then again when Scott Paget is here in the afternoon, because just 1 degree difference here or there and a little bit difference in the atmospheric profile, and you got a completely different kind of event. So let's keep weather in mind for the next 3 days and drive with care. So this is what we're expecting tomorrow. Sleet, freezing rain will be going on. Very light amounts, probably showing up midday and across the afternoon. Patchy ice is possible at the end of the day on the bridges and overpasses, but more likely in our northwest counties. Tuesday, heavier sleet and freezing rain is moving in. It's going to be freezing or near freezing most of the day. And on Wednesday, we're going to get another round of this in the morning that changes over to rain. The highest threat for ice just accumulating on the roads, bridges, overpasses, grounds will probably be across our northwest counties the way it looks now. That has been actually the way it's looked since this event started to take shape a couple of days ago. So we've got a 40% chance of precipitation tomorrow. We barely get above freezing. Same story on Tuesday, but look at that. That's an 80% chance of freezing precipitation and a 90% chance of a mix on Wednesday. All 3 days, first alert weather days. So this is Futurecast showing tomorrow morning not a lot going on. It could be falling, just not getting to the ground because the air is dry, but it saturates the air by the time we get to the lunch hour, and across the afternoon little spits of both sleet, rain, and then some freezing rain as we close the day and temperatures get below freezing again, because we'll probably be maybe 1 degree above freezing as we cross the afternoon with this coming through. This goes on across the evening, so if there's any problems tomorrow, it's going to be in the evening commute, I suspect, across the Metroplex. Then another wave comes in on Tuesday, and this one is a little more serious. Temperatures again will be a few degrees below freezing. Here it comes Tuesday morning, and this could be almost instant trouble as it crosses the Metroplex Tuesday morning. This goes on Tuesday morning and starts to let up as we get into the afternoon, but the damage is done. We might only get a couple of degrees above freezing, so not a whole lot of melting, probably some problems on the bridges and overpasses. And I'll stop it at Wednesday, 7 a.m. This is as far as the model goes, but here is yet another wave coming in Wednesday. It'll start, yes, as freezing rain, and then we will end up probably with some rain on top of that. So ice accumulation, not so much on Monday, but we get into Tuesday afternoon, and there it is starting to accumulate. And just notice the large area across North Texas that has the threat of getting some ice. So one more time, Monday afternoon, tomorrow, evening commute problems are possible with sleet and freezing rain. That's where we think the real problems would be, from Cook County over to Mineral Wells, maybe even parts of Tarrant County in the northwest. But it is Monday night and Tuesday we think will be the worst of it, with Wednesday morning, again, a major issue around North Texas. So the First Alert Weather Team is going to keep you posted on the small little nuances, changes that are going to be occurring over the next couple of days. But this is going to be some serious winter weather and some potential travel problems for 3 days running. By Thursday, we start to get above freezing enough where all those problems go away, and then we forget it all happened by Sunday when it hits 60 degrees and the sun comes out.
So much concern with